Welcome to my channel. How to rename your eero Wi-Fi network and change the password. Step 1. Open the eero app, unlock your phone and launch the eero app. Make sure you're signed in with the account that manages your eero network. Step 2. Connect to your eero network. Ensure your phone is connected to your current eero Wi-Fi network. This allows the app to communicate with your eero devices. Step 3. Go to Network Settings. From the app's home screen, tap Settings to access your network options and preferences. Step 4. Open Wi-Fi Settings. Select Wi-Fi name password, or a similar option depending on your app version, to edit your wireless network details. Step 5. Enter a new Wi-Fi name. Type the new name, SSID, you want for your Wi-Fi network. Choose a name that's easy to recognize but doesn't reveal personal information. Step 6. Create a strong password. Enter a new Wi-Fi password using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A strong password helps keep your network secure. Step 7. Save your changes. Tap Save or Apply. The eero system will update your Wi-Fi name and password. This process usually takes a minute or two. Step 8. Reconnect your devices. Since the Wi-Fi name or password has changed, reconnect your phones, laptops, smart TVs, and other wireless devices using the new credentials. Step 9. Check your internet connection. Open a website or stream a video to confirm that your devices are connected properly and your internet is working as expected. Step 10. Keep your new password safe. Store your new Wi-Fi password in a secure place or use a password manager so you can easily connect new devices in the future without forgetting it. Thanks for watching.